Welcome to the show how to change icon shape into a Black Shark 5. First of all, open your Play Store and in search write X icon changer application. This one. Need downloading and installing, so wait a second for install. And now tap open, so wait a second for scanning. Okay, now tap open. Sometimes need close ads. And now from the list of your application, choose your application. Maybe YouTube will be nice, so choose your application, and now from the list of your icon, choose your icon, for example this one, like music. Okay, so now for saving this icon to YouTube, need tap here on the right top corner to OK button. So now we got message, please go to the system settings to open shortcut permissions. Tap OK, and now we got opening X icon changer settings. So, and here go into other permissions, home screen shortcuts, tap it and select always allow. Go back one more time, and let's try again. Choose your icon and press in the top right corner OK button. Tap.
Hello Dave, how you doing? Oh, hello.
Sometimes need close ads a few times for saving this icon. And now we got success message, so go to our home screen. And here we got new icon of YouTube. And that's it. Thank you for watching, leave thumbs up and subscribe to our channel.